There's gonna be a lot of money today, so just hit that subscribe button and of course, just follow the steps, okay? You have to do each step as I do them, okay? Then everything is gonna work properly and you're gonna make money. So let's see how it's done. Now, just take a look at this. This is Name and Force, and what these people are doing, well, they're starting these contests for business names. So you can start a contest at 150 bucks and you can see that they have named a lot of businesses online and in the real world. Now, there is a simple thing, so just take a look at this. You can get $200 for a business name. Now, that is a real amount of money. If you ask me, you just say the name and you get 200 bucks. I mean, I would do that every day if I'm able to, and this is a really good thing. 200 bucks for naming a business. Now, of course, you won't be like accepted every now and then, okay, down, simply because there are a lot of people who are using this. But if you can get, I don't know, maybe one of these in 1 week, that's 200 bucks for you each week, and that can quickly accumulate to $800 per month, okay? So you can see that you have a lot of these. So maybe, I don't know, maybe we can just check this, click and collect food app, Etsy, and this is $100 award. So this girl, Nanime, or guy, whatever, she named it Etsy, and $100 goes to her or him, whatever. It is a really, really good thing. Just take a look at this one. This is $100. This one, Performa Max, this is $100. Now, you get the point, okay? People get a lot of money for these, 100, 200. It is a really, really good thing. You just have to come up with a name. But today, you don't even have to come up with a name because I have a website for that. But let me just tell you how this works, guys. So step one, you can see that if you want to buy a business name, it'll take like 7, 3, and then 7 days as well because they need to choose the best one, okay? So if you want to go and work with these people, you have to go on namingforce.com, okay? Now, the more time you invest in this, the more money you are gonna get because you have to be able to put those names each and every single day if you want to hire your chances, okay? And of course, this will work all around the world, so you don't have to worry if you live in Africa, if you live in America, wherever you live, you can use namingforce.com and you can make some money with it. Now, when you make yourself an account on this website, the thing that you have to do is you have to go on these contests and you can check which one are actual right now. So you can see that you have to sign up if you want to check these private contests, okay? You have to sign in to view that description, and there's 200 bucks, guys, for this one. $200 for this one as well. This is like sports networking app. You can just go and you can just check the description, okay? So the people who are buying these business names and domain names, they put in the description. So you can see that this is an app website that is similar to LinkedIn, but for sports, okay? So they want to find something like that. And I suggest highly that you go and read each one of these because this is going to help you. If you are thinking the name out yourself, this is going to help you. So you can see this brand name is for an online-only version of our existing business that is a physical store called Mark and Main. You can see that in order to get a feel of the brand, you can visit the website that people already have, and you can just go and you can do a bit of a research, okay? Do a bit of a research to see what these people are asking for. And one more thing that you can check are these recently named businesses. So, for example, I don't know, maybe this Lancelot, there is $100 for this, and you can see the description, you can see what other people are doing, and you can see the winner is Lancelot, okay? And that's about it, guys. If you feel creative, you can go and you can check these out, and you can think of the names yourself. But now I'm gonna show you one website which is gonna do all the hard work for you, so you don't even have to think about the names. You can just copy and paste. So hit that subscribe and let's see how it's done. Well, you can see where this is headed, right? This is gonna generate a lot of your names, and it's gonna do it for free, okay? It is free. You can, of course, do it in a lot of categories, in a lot of niches, and that's why I suggest to read those descriptions there on Name and Search, okay? So just read these descriptions so you can get a glimpse of what people are asking for, and then go over to Business Generator and you can just select the name. So you can just, for example, enter the keyword, okay? So let's try with the real life example. For example, we're gonna take this one, sports networking app, and this is linked to some sports, so we know our niche, we know our category. So let's enter that category inside of it, and let's just tap in sports, click on get started, and you will see that you will get a lot of these options, okay? You have a lot of these options. I mean, Business Name Generator gives you a lot of them. Just take a look at how many pages there are and how many of those are per each page. Now, you can just go and you can maybe think about which one of these is going to suit the most to the customer there. And that's why I repeat that you should go and just go and search for the clues in this description, okay? So you can see it's a sports specific social network for individuals, teams, and agencies to connect, share, and learn. So it's a social media network and it is related to sports. So you have like those two clues, those two connections, and now you can link those. And you already have the clue that it is similar to LinkedIn. And you know what that is? Well, it's a social media for work. Now, you can go and you can just look if any of these suggestions can relate to that, to social media, to sports, to some working relationships. You can just go and you can just search for it. Maybe this Sportastic is a good one, but let me just search for some more. Maybe Bigger Sports, not SportsWind. Let's go to the second page, and this is what I love about this website. It gives you so many options. You can just go and search ahead. You can just choose whatever you want. So sports all around, we just need to find something which is related to social media and sports as well. So maybe we can just add in social media, maybe this here, or network or something like that. Yeah, that's going to be a network. So now you can see that it is going to be network. Exercise Sports Balanced is a good one. So you see where this is headed. Maybe Sports Connect. Maybe the Sports Connect would be the choice for me if I'm gonna do that. Sports Connect is a good thing, and you can just copy this or just rewrite it, and then this person is gonna give you $200 for it. I just think that this is a really thing to do for anyone, wherever you live, whatever is your expertise. You just get the money for naming businesses. Now, what a cool business, right? Go and do it, guys, and I'll catch you later.